Hello friends, I'm Praveen Kumar Dhankar. Welcome you on my YouTube channel Knowledge Junction. Do like, share and subscribe for my latest videos. Today we are learning tutorial on tables and figure in LATEX. As you all know, LATEX is a scientific writing software. So let me go to the text file, which is table slash figure dot text. I have given the name like, so you can start your text here itself slash document class, and the font size is 12 point, an article. Use slash use package cc license, and use again slash package graphics for pictorial form, and then start. If you want to insert any GPG, PNG or EPS figure, so you have to be use graphics. If you have any EPS command, EPS figure, so you can use a one package, that is slash use package EPS to PDF. So here then slash title tutorial on table and figures, and slash author, you can write your name itself. And now my document started with slash begin document, and I put on a new page. So here, as I'm running once, so you go to the next page, and this is the table. How you can make it a table with a command slash begin tabular, and then start with this tabular and end with this slash end tabular, and inside this you can make one column and rows. So as you can see, the curly bracket, then one C for column and R for row, then slash H line, then multi-line, second line, right? So this is fruit details, you can see fruit detail, and then calculus, cost calculation. So this is in one line, this will be in one, and they are in two line, fruit detail in two line and cost detail in three columns as we are given. Then you can separate all this with and sign, and then you just repeat this, and easily you will get a tabular as you desire, as you want. Then coming to the next, this is for figure or graphics. So slash begin center, as I want to put figure in center, and give a command of slash include graphics, and you can scale is, as I am giving a scale of 0.40, so you can say, and then picture name whatever it will be, as I am written pk1.jpg, my file is jpg. So you can change your scaling, as if I am changing it like this, you can see the size of this increases. Again, one type of scaling you also do by row and width and height. So you can change by width and height also, and then you can repeat the same thing as you see the size of this figure has changed. Now for the second picture, size is changed 1.7. So it's depend on your picture or figure, the how it is. If it have a good pixel, then it required minimum scaling. If it is having less pixel, it required maximum scaling. As per requirement you can change and you can make it. So this is a symbol of our channel, laughing, smiling, beautiful girl, Kervi. Then you can end with this slash end document. So easily, very easily you can run your command. Anything if you want to insert, you can put inside this. So thank you for watching my video, and do like, share and subscribe for latest scientific videos, because we are enjoying this series of scientific software LATEX. So thank you very much.